Hello everyone. Hello. Waiting for some more people. Wait for one more minute, then we will start. Today I am preparing a silky sweet. Silky sweet, this is my own creation, and the ingredient I am using in this is the boiled corn, boiled soaked wheat, and peanuts boiled and soaked, some coconut powder, soaked raisins and figs and nuts, and some hibiscus flower for a garnish. And I am using jaggery and ghee, Amul ghee, and Amul cheese as well to give some thickness and texture. So I will begin with a mixing of ingredients. So I will take equal quantity of corn, boiled corn. It's almost around 100 grams. Same with wheat, boiled wheat. This is also 100 gram. Peanut, it's 30 gram. I'm just giving peanut just for a flavor only. These all are the three key ingredients I am using. And after that I will add some water in this to blend it. Water and some milk, whatever you want you can add. I am using milk. If you have some dietary restrictions, you can use water as well. So I will blend this. This is the texture. I have to blend some more actually. This is थोड़ा दरदरा ही रखना है इसको, बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं पीसना है. So I am adding some more, little bit more milk, 1 spoon. Yes, this is good to go. This is the fine texture. Texture is good. And now I will use this to make the silky sweets, my recipes. Alright. So first I will start. By the time I will add some dry nuts in this also. It's up to you. If you want to add, you can add. If you don't want to add, you don't add. The choice of ingredients is completely yours. I will add some figs and some nuts as well. Just to give a bit of aroma in this. This is hot now. Now I am adding ghee. This is 2 spoons. 2 spoon ghee. An equal quantity of, I am using olive oil. Olive oil I am using just because of, to give some richness and some shiny texture. This is almost hot, so I am adding the mixture of a wheat, maize and peanut. It will take around 7 to 8 minutes to cook it because this is already pre-boiled, so you don't require that much time to cook. Cooking in this will take 5 to 7 minutes. Stir it occasionally. Usually whenever you are cooking any dessert, Indian dessert, people add some cinnamon powder, either nutmeg powder, but I will use the maize powder in this. मेज़ की बहुत अच्छी खुशबू आती है जब आप रोस्ट करके इसका पेस्ट बनाइएगा या पाउडर बनाइएगा तो बहुत अच्छा अरोमा आता है स्वीट डिश में स्पेशली. Adding a pinch of maize powder in this. So after it's half done, you can add some milk. I'm using 3 ladles of milk. Stir it nicely so it will not, stick in the pan. Some figs and nuts I am adding in this. अंजीर और छुहाड़ा है इसमें. अंजीर और छुहाड़ा ये ऑलमोस्ट जब हाफ डन से ज़्यादा हो गया तो ऐड कर दिया हमने इसमें. कीप स्टरिंग. फॉर स्वीटनेस आई एम यूजिंग जैगरी. आई डोंट यूज एनी sugar and all. For sweetness I use only jaggery. Jaggery I will use for sweetness. Three spoons I am using jaggery. Jaggery powder, sugar, whatever you want at your home you can use. Later I also add some pre-soaked raisins, chopped pre-soaked raisins. I will chop it now and add in this. So hope all of you are enjoying the recipe, and this is simple homemade recipe. You can try at your home. Nothing extraordinary. All simple ingredients I am using. That is maize, wheat, and a peanut. And name of the dish is the silky sweet. This is given by me only. This is full of nutrients and lot of calories as well, but healthy nutrients only. Adding some chopped raisins in this. At the end I am using some coconut powder 2 spoons of coconut powder. This is almost done. और अब इसके प्रेजेंटेशन की तैयारी करेंगे. हमने थोड़ा सैफरन लिया है, इसमें सैफरन, थोड़ा सा मिल्क डाल के इसमें इसको डिसॉल्व करेंगे. एक्चुअली इसमें वीट है, वीट प्रोटीन है, ग्लूटेन है, थोड़ा टेक्सचर इसका स्टिकी ही रहेगा. इफ यू वांट टू अवॉइड स्टिकीनेस, आप इसमें वीट मत डालिए. इंस्टेड ऑफ वीट यू कैन यूज सम अदर ग्रेन्स लाइक बाजरा और राइस, समथिंग यू कैन यूज आल्सो. This is almost done, and silky sweet is ready, and I am putting this in a bowl for presentation. Some kesar on top. I will use some cheese slice as well. Amul cheese slice I am using in this. And some hibiscus petals for garnish. If you don't have any hibiscus petals, you can use rose petals as well. So this is ready. This is silky sweet and good to go. You can eat anytime, whenever you want, in lunch, in breakfast, in dinner. Whenever you feel hungry, want to eat something new, some new dessert, you can eat this. Hope all of you enjoyed the recipes, and so thank you everyone, and myself Chef Praveen Jha, and I am the individual chefpreneur, and I am doing all consultancy. I am the MD of my own company, Innovative Global Hospitality Solution, and General Secretary of Gujarat Culinary Association. So thanks Amul and Chaudhary ji to give us chance to show our culinary skills. And this is the silky sweets. Hope you enjoy the recipes. Thank you so much. This is the recipe. This is the silky sweet. The ingredients I used is the maize, wheat that is boiled, and peanuts that is also boiled. Apart from that, I used coconut powder and everything, some ghee, some olive oil. Thank you so much.